Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Planning Strategy for cross-border income. When you earn dividend income from another country, tax planning becomes more important because your income may be affected by more than one tax system. You may have taxes in the country where the dividend is paid, and you may also have tax reporting responsibilities in the country where you live. That is why cross-border dividend planning helps investors reduce double taxation, stay compliant, and keep more of their after-tax income. First, you need to know your tax residency. Your tax residency usually determines where you report your worldwide income and which tax rules apply to your dividend income. For example, if you live in one country but invest in companies from another country, your dividend income may need to be reported carefully. So, before focusing on returns, it is important to understand where you are considered a tax resident. Next, you should understand tax treaties between countries. A tax treaty is an agreement that may reduce or prevent double taxation between two countries. In many cases, treaties can lower withholding tax rates on dividends or explain which country has the right to tax certain income. Therefore, checking treaty rules can help you avoid paying more tax than necessary. After that, identify the type of dividend you receive. Some dividends may be qualified, some may be ordinary, and some may come from foreign companies or international funds. Different dividend types may have different tax treatment depending on the country and investment structure. Because of this, knowing the dividend category helps you plan more accurately. Then, manage withholding tax properly. Many countries deduct withholding tax before the dividend reaches your account. This means the source country may take a portion of the dividend automatically. However, in some situations, you may be able to reduce the withholding rate by submitting the correct tax forms or claiming treaty benefits. So, it is important to provide accurate information to your broker or investment platform. In addition, foreign tax credits can be very useful. If tax was already paid in another country, your home country may allow you to claim a credit so you do not pay tax twice on the same dividend income. However, foreign tax credit rules can be detailed, and you usually need proper documents to support your claim. That is why keeping statements, withholding records, and tax forms is very important. Moreover, choosing the right account can make a big difference. Some investors may use tax-advantaged accounts, retirement accounts, or other efficient investment structures where available. The right account may reduce tax drag and make international investing easier. But before investing across borders, you should always consider the tax impact of the account type. At the same time, accurate records are essential. You should track dividend amounts, payment dates, withholding tax, exchange rates, tax forms, and broker statements. Good records make tax filing easier and reduce the chance of mistakes. Also, when income is received in a foreign currency, the exchange rate can affect the amount you report in your local currency. Furthermore, currency changes should not be ignored. Even if the dividend amount is stable, exchange rate movements can affect your final return. For example, if your local currency strengthens or weakens, your dividend income may be worth more or less after conversion. So, tracking both dividend income and currency impact gives you a clearer picture of your real after-tax return. After that, plan your investments strategically. Cross-border investing can provide diversification, but it also adds tax complexity, currency risk, and reporting responsibilities. Therefore, it is wise to compare the dividend yield, withholding tax, foreign tax credits, currency effect, and after-tax return together. A high dividend yield may not always be the best choice if the tax cost is too high. Finally, cross-border dividend rules can change, so professional advice is strongly recommended. A qualified tax professional can help review your residency, treaties, withholding tax, foreign tax credits, and reporting requirements. This is especially important if you invest in multiple countries or receive dividend income from several international sources. So, the main idea is simple. Plan ahead, keep records, understand tax treaties, use available credits, and review the full after-tax result before making decisions. Good planning today can lead to bigger after-tax dividend income tomorrow. This video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, legal, or financial advice. Cross-border tax rules vary by country and individual circumstances, so always consult a qualified professional for your specific situation. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.